Hi guys, we just came back from Walmart.
We have a very new guest, my mom.
So today I will be assisting the girl. It doesn't matter what rice you get, you just get any
kind of rice.
We decided to get the 2-pound great value. And then you're gonna need socks.
Crazy glue. Make sure you need your parents because it's very sticky.
Okay. And then
Googly eyes.
googly eyes.
Glue.
You're gonna need
Scissors.
You're gonna need
Marker.
and then you're gonna need, we said the socks already, Ari. Then you're gonna need some rubber bands. I am going to cut the bag of rice open.
Make sure to subscribe, hit the bell, and be notified to watch our videos every single day.
Okay, so now I'm pouring the rice into Ari's cup.
That scared me.
And then now I'm going to pour the rice in. First step. Go ahead, Maliyah.
First step, put the rice in the sock. So
need
this
help.
is an easier way not to spill the rice.
Yeah.
Put the sock on the cup.
Put the sock over the cup like this. Here. You're just gonna put it over the cup. Okay.
And turn it over.
Flip the cup over. Like this.
Okay.
It goes
Now the rice is in the sock.
elastic.
Yes, and then we're gonna get an elastic
I'm getting my
your
cold
rubber
one
band.
too.
Okay. And where are we gonna put it?
right at the top.
Right at the top, Ari.
Now it has beautiful long hair.
Let me start it and then you can finish it. Hold on. Because you want to make it tall, right?
Yep.
Ari, you look like you're going to have a jokey looking. So can we do it a little closer so they can see? So we're going to put our rubber band.
Looks like a beanbag.
It do look like a beanbag.
Like you just throw it on the.
Do you do it like really tight?
If you want it really tight.
I'm crazy because
And then we're gonna get another rubber band
it
Okay.
has some long
for
hair.
the middle.
Yeah, Ari, get your second rubber band. You're going to put it in the middle.
I need to put it.
Yes, make the shape of your bunny.
Go ahead.
And then put the rubber band on.
Got it? Hold it tight. Good job, Ari.
It's funny.
Everything's funny to you. Okay, go ahead. Tie it. Put it around one more time.
Put them around, Mom.
Arianna is trying to be really funny right now.
No, I'm not. Why did he buy these? Whoa.
Okay, there you go. All right, fine, that's cool.
Yeah.
What next, Maliyah?
Gonna do the tail.
So now we are about to do the tail.
The
And
booty.
what are you gonna do?
You need another hair rubber
Elastic.
band and get like a little portion of it.
So you're gonna get a portion of the
Oh my gosh.
bottom
Yeah.
sock, bottom part of
Oh,
the
the
sock. Just gonna take a bottom portion, turn it sideways, Maliyah, so they can see. Wait, Ari. Wait, Ari. You're gonna take it like this, and you're gonna just
Tie.
grip a portion of it, like right here, and that's what you're gonna tie. And that is going to be the tail.
The butt.
Go ahead.
Shine down like
Got it? That's beautiful. Okay.
I'm gonna wheel my tail.
Okay, nice. See? Let's show it. Show. Shake, shake,
now-
shake.
We're
Okay.
gonna do the ears.
Wait, what? I'm gonna
Okay.
wheel my tail. And
Gonna need scissors for this.
Okay, so now she is about to do her
Mom, you're gonna do it.
Ears.
her bunny ears.
Then to put the eyes on, you need crazy glue. So I'm gonna ask my mom because that's not the final part of it. My mom do the crazy glue at the end.
You got it?
Yep.
Good job. So Maliyah is now cutting. Go ahead. Okay.
Then
What next?
cut down the middle.
Now she's gonna cut down the middle. make sure right here because it's
gonna
so it's cut right down there. And I'm gonna assist her as she cuts.
I'm gonna you
Put the scissors right to the middle there. Take it all the way down and then cut. Right. Let me cut it. Open this. So we're gonna go ahead.
I'm gonna gonna shoot that bone.
Cut now.
You shot me.
Okay.
You born my bunny.
So heirs, I'll ask Maliyah to assist me with this. Go ahead while I cut. Ready?
Yep.
And now let's bring it a little closer. We're just gonna cut the middle of the sock. Right there. Let me just tear this. Let me cut this side a little more
Mommy, look.
to give this sock, this ear a little bit of life.
Mommy, look.
Oh, Ari. Okay. So there you have it. Your bunny ears.
Now
Now we're gonna
last
do the
step,
eyes and then
the face.
The last step is really, really simple.
We're gonna ask my mom to do this because
Okay.
you might need your parents and it's really sticky. Crazy glue. 3.
2. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, we no longer need the scissors, so we'll just put that to
Mommy,
the
I have 3
side.
eyes now.
You have 3 eyes? Oh man. Okay, so I'll ask Ari to close this.
4 eyes.
Ari, could you close the eyes?
Yes,
They're wiggly wiggly.
Whoa.
So you have to be very careful with this crazy glue. As Arianna mentioned, it is extremely sticky.
Parent to assist you.
So if you're not familiar with the crazy glue, I would advise you to have an adult assist you, okay?
Yes.
So what we're gonna do now is apply our eyeballs, our googly
To the
woogly
glue.
eyes. Where are we gonna apply it, Ari?
Ooh.
Where are we gonna apply our eyes? Show me where you want me to put your eyes. Okay, so we're gonna put the eyes.
Right here.
Okay, so we're gonna put the
You say
eyes right here, okay?
You say red.
This is Ari's bunny. Hold your bunny, Ari. Show them your bunny. Wait a minute.
Shake off.
Okay, Maliyah, where do you want me to put your eyes?
Right. I didn't even do
Okay.
that.
I'm gonna glue it. That is why you need a parent. Now her finger is stuck to the googly woogly.
I'm gonna put a little bit because if you put a lot, it might go on your finger again.
Thank you, Ari, for your advice. Okay, so there goes Maliyah googly woogly eyes.
And my
Okay, hold it, Lee.
now
Okay, so we're gonna watch Maliyah as she draw her mouthpiece, her nose and her mouth for her bunny wanny. Go ahead, Leah. Turn it to the camera so they can see it. Let me bring your bunny
know how to
ears
do a
up.
bunny.
Okay, go ahead, Leah.
let me see. I'm trying to do it too.
Okay, let's wait until she's done and then you could do yours. See? Let me see how it's this. Oh yeah, you could use this. Go ahead.
Oh, done.
That's beautiful. Now Ari is gonna draw her mouth. Is it gonna do? That's your nose. Ooh, that's cute. Aww. Soft. Let me, I see what you're trying to do. Hold on. Like that, right?
I give mine
Looks like a
eyelashes.
boy. Looks like a boy.
Eyelashes.
Mine look like a boy.
Happy Easter!
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel.
Thank you everybody for tuning in. And Ari and Maliyah would be more than happy if you guys give this video a thumbs up and
Subscribe.
Subscribe.
subscribe to their YouTube channel.